Ravindra Naik was one of ours. He started our Konkani News Bulletin in 2009 and anchored it till yesterday. We lost him suddenly, unexpectedly. Goa 365 mourns him, stands in solidarity with his family and pays him a tribute.
Coming from a village background of Savoy-Vere, Ravindra was living with his wife and daughter in Fonda. In spite of being a hardcore teacher, Ravindra was madly in love with theatre. He was a founder member of Kala Chetna Vaduvai and had also acted in several dramas performed by House, Varadambika, Athashri, Siddhinand Theatres, Vimalanand, Rudreshwar and many such theatre groups all over Goa. Acted in amateur theatre as well as in the drama competitions of Kala Akademi in Konkani and Marathi. His Sarpanch in a Doordarshan serial, Eyes Tithyar, had become a household name.
तुझे मरे काम हांव करता म्हणजे करता हांव आसतना कित्याक भिता कालूच मरे आमच्यो त्यो टॉयलेटाच्यो फायली घेवन हांव पलाशीन गेल्लो थंयच म्हाका मंत्री मेळ्ळो ताच्या कानार घातलाच गेले हांवें ताणें सांगलां कितें की ह्या म्हयन्या भितर सुमार 3,000 सरकारी नोकऱ्यो येवपाच्यो आसा पळय प्रत्येक पंचायतीक मरे निदान 10 तरी पोस्ट गावतले माझ्या कोट्यांतल्यान तुजें पयलीं काम बीकॉम मरे तुझे काम करीन जाल्यार कशें जातलें सरस्वतीचो पुत्र तूं आमगेलो तुजें काम पयलीं करता.
Perhaps this is the reason hundreds of people from different walks of life gathered at his Fonda house as well as at Savoy-Vere for his funeral. Here are some tributes paid by the veterans in social, political and cultural fields.
एक अतिशय गुणी कलाकार सावयवेरेचे भुमिकाचे जायते कलाकार जाले तातूंतलो एक तो आनी ते परंपरेत आमी तो वाडटालो पूण अचानक ताची एक्झिट जाली.
दिसता आज इथे उशाला मृत्यू या नाटकाचो काल राती म्हजे बरोबर 10:30 आमी तालीम घेतिल्ली आसा आनी अवघे फक्त 1 वरा भितर असो तरेचो एक मेसेज आयलो की रवींद्र भाई ह्या संवसारांतल्यान अंतरलो मात सिग्नल सुद्दां ताणें दिवूं नाशिल्लें आमकां अशें आसा म्हणून पूण तरी आसतना एक उत्कृष्ट एक नाट्य कलाकार दिग्दर्शक त्याच बरोबर एक निवेदक जाका सगळी कलेच्या क्षेत्राची जाण आशिल्ली तेजे विचार जे आशिल्ले ते विचार एकदम त्या लोकांच्या पली कडेन आशिल्ले.
रवींद्र नायक जो आशिल्लो तेका आमी केन्नाय सदांच न्यूज बीन आयकताले आनी न्यूज इतलो सांगपाचें हें पद्दत आनी एक बरे तरेन आमकां समजतालो सगळ्या लोकांक समजतालो पूण असो एक कलाकार एक असो पत्रकार आमच्यान गेलो आनी तेजें हें दुख्ख जें आसा तेजी कुटुंबां सहन करपाक देवान ताकद दिवची.
रवींद्र नायकाच्या रुपान गोंय एका बऱ्या कलाकाराक मुखल्या मराठी तशेंच कोंकणी संगीत सगळ्या रंगभुंयेचेर जाणें नांव कमयलें आपल्या भारदस्त आवाजान जाणें एक 2-3 दशकां गाजयली जाल्यार खास करून आमकां दुख्ख जाता की कला चेतना संस्था जी फाटल्या 20 वर्सांक उबी जाल्या ती खरें म्हटल्यार ताज्या सारक्या कलाकाराच्या हिकमतीचेर उबी जाल्ली आनी आयज ताज्या कृपेन आनी ताज्या आशिर्वादान ही चलता न भरून येवपा सारकी पोकळी.
वायट इतलेंच दिसता की कलाकाराक आपणान जें कितें चिंतलेलें आसता जें स्वप्न चिंतिल्लें आसता तें पुराय जावचें कशें दिसता. एक नाटक जें करपाचें आशिल्लें आतां सर्गेस्त विष्णू वाघाच्या म्हणजे तांचो महोत्सव जो दवरिल्लो राजू कला मंदिरान त्या महोत्सवात तें नाटक करपाचें आशिल्लें 2 दिसाचें नाटक आशिल्लें आनी तांणी लायफाचीच एक्झिट घेतल्या.
इथे ओशाळला मृत्यू was the last production he acted in. He had performed Aurangzeb in this drama with Art and Culture Minister Govind Gowde, who acted as Sambhaji. They had a repeat performance of it on a Sunday at Rajiv Kala Mandir, Fonda. While returning home from a rehearsal of this drama on Tuesday night, Ravindra collapsed due to a massive heart attack. He took a sudden exit at the age of mere 57. His meticulous and disciplined attitude reflected everywhere, may it be his teaching, acting or news anchoring. He was the main initiative in starting Konkani News Bulletin of Goa 365. The whole staff was in tears while paying tribute to him. Monday was the last day he anchored our Konkani News Bulletin.
नमस्कार, तुम्ही पळयतात गोवा 365 चे कोंकणी खबरापत्र आणि हांव रवींद्र नायक. आता खबरो विस्तारान पळोवया.
we will never ever hear his voice again. Our respectful tributes to this great cultural activist. Our reporter Krishna Naik from Savoy.
He was a disciplined teacher, a passionate theatre actor and a pillar of Konkani Bulletin of Goa 365. He had created a special space in the hearts of Goan viewers with his unique style of anchoring. Ravindra Naik, the ace anchor of Goa, suddenly took an exit on Wednesday. He died with a massive heart attack at the age of 57.